Hello and welcome to today's walkthrough. I'm Zoe Clarke from RosterElf, and I'm excited to show you how easy shift review and approval can be. Together, we'll keep your payroll accurate and your rostering stress-free. How to review shift details. Click the roster column to compare scheduled start, break, and finish times, and ensure they match your roster plan. Click the time clock column to see the clock in and clock out times recorded by staff. Check the auto-rounding column to confirm the times rounded according to your settings. Click the custom column to enter precise times when you need to adjust a shift. How to approve shift times. Click any cell to select the time you want to approve. Look for the green outline around the cell to confirm it is saved. How to make custom payroll changes. Click the custom payroll cell to type exact start, break, or finish times. Click Save under Approved Hours to confirm each shift individually. Click Save All at the bottom right to save every custom entry in a single step. How to exclude shifts from export. Untick the records of any employees whose shifts you do not want to include in the payroll export. Thanks for tuning in. If you ever need a hand, our friendly support team is ready to help. Happy rostering!